Can you increase my brightness of screen up to 100% and decrease volume by 10%?
I've increased your screen brightness to 100% and decreased the volume by 10%, so it's now at 40%. If you need
Okay, thank
anything
you.
else,
I want brightness to 50%.
I've adjusted your screen brightness to 50%. If you need further adjustments, just let me know.
Thank you. Okay, I am preparing for a speech that should be energetic, loud, and fast in voice. So, can you give me a demo for that? How can I deliver that speech on any social issue?
Absolutely. Here's a demo for your speech, focused on the importance of mental health awareness. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Everyone, are you ready to tackle a topic that's vital for all of us? Let's talk about mental health awareness. It's time to break the stigma. Mental health is just as important as physical health. People are struggling silently.
Can
We
you
need to
put
create
some
spaces.
more energy into it so your voice is more energetic?
Sure, imagine this with a booming, passionate voice and lots of enthusiasm. Oh, hello everyone. Hello! Are you ready to delve into a topic that touches everyone's life? Let's talk about mental health awareness. It's time to break the stigma. It's time to break the stigma. Let's shout it out. It's okay to seek
Okay,
help.
thank you. I like it. Okay, bye, Sophie.
You're welcome. I'm glad you liked it. If you ever need anything else, feel free to reach out. Bye, Mubi. Take care.
Bye.